Shipowners are confident that the current turmoil in the oil and gas market won't derail the shipping industry's efforts to decarbonise. The International Maritime Organization, or IMO, is targeting net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2050. Integrated maritime firm BSM says shipowners are under pressure to decarbonise while operating in a more dangerous and costly environment. Disruptions in the Strait of Hormuz are driving up fuel costs and complicating routes, shifting the focus to practical measures like fuel efficiency, compliance and resilience. The message is the green transition can't pause even during a geopolitical crisis.
This industry is very resilient and they will overcome. One of the key points is we have two targets, 2030 and 2050. The 2030 target might be pushed, but the trajectory is moving forward. Decarbonization is there to stay. 2050 target might be more practical and more achievable.
The war has tightened oil product and bunker markets in Asia. Bunker premiums have reportedly reached record highs, and some ships struggle to refuel, with Singapore prices surging and congestion building at key ports. So, the issue has shifted from finding the most sustainable fuel to one that can be sourced reliably in a crisis. LNG is already widely used in commercial shipping, much more real than ammonia or hydrogen today. But it is mainly a transition fuel, not the final decarbonization end state. Methanol is emerging as a leading fuel for deep-sea shipping, with vessels already in service, more on order, and a growing global supply network. Research firm DNV says more than 450 methanol-capable ships are now in operation or on order, while companies like Maersk have begun deploying methanol-powered vessels. But industry groups warn against relying on a single fuel. The Global Centre for Green Fuels Alliance say ethanol could play a key supporting role. They argue ethanol can expand fuel supply by bringing in major producers like the US and Brazil, helping the industry scale beyond pilot projects. GCGF says for a realistic green transition, shipping may need ethanol alongside methanol.
Ethanol can actually step into the shoes, that were meant for methanol to fill now, today. Right now. There's 5-6 million tons easily available globally, and that's about what we're missing, we only have less than 1 million tons of green methanol produced today globally. It will double this year, somewhere around 2 million tons, but that's still a long way off from what these vessels that are in service today, about 100, could consume if policy aligned and incentivized them to burn this fuel.